Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about stress relieving habits. Stress is something we all deal with from time to time, whether it's because of work, relationships, or life in general. And while stress is a natural part of life, if it's left unchecked, it can have a significant impact on our physical and mental well being. But here is the good news, you don't have to let stress take over your life. In this video, we are going to explore some powerful stress relieving habits that can help you reduce stress, feel more relaxed, and regain control over your daily life. These habits are simple, effective, and most importantly, whether you are dealing with occasional stress or it's becoming a daily battle, these tips will help you live a calmer and more peaceful life. So let's get started with the top stress relieving habits that anyone can adopt. First is prioritize deep breathing. It's incredibly simple but often overlooked. Yes, deep breathing. When we are stressed, our breath becomes shallow and fast, which activates the body's fight or flight response. This can leave us feeling more anxious and tense. And on the other hand, when you take deep, controlled breaths, you activate your parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Here is a powerful deep breathing technique you can try right now. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Slowly inhale through your nose for a count of 4, letting your belly rise as you fill your lungs with air. And now hold your breath for a count of 4. Now exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6, feeling the tension leave your body with each breath. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes a day, especially when you are feeling overwhelmed or anxious. Over the time, this habit will help you feel calmer, more centered, and less reactive to stress. Number 2, practice mindfulness and meditation. Many times, stress comes from either worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. This constant focus on what has been or what might happen creates a mental burden. And mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment without judgment. When you are mindful, you stop overthinking and simply observe your thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. Meditation takes mindfulness a deep further by helping you intentionally focus your mind on something calming like your breath or a mantra. Even if you are just starting out, you don't have to meditate for long periods. Start very small, 5 to 10 minutes a day, and it is enough to see benefits. There are plenty of apps that can guide you through beginner friendly meditation sessions. A simple meditation practice you can try at home is like this. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed or interrupted. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Focus your attention on your breath or a positive affirmation like, I am calm. Repeat this again and again. I am calm. I am calm. I am calm. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. And with consistent practice, you will find that you become less reactive to stressful situations and you will be able to handle challenges with a calmer and clearer mindset. Next is get regular exercise. It's no secret that exercise is one of the best ways to relieve stress. When you engage in physical activity, your body releases endorphins. These are chemicals that improve your mood and make you feel happier and more relaxed. Regular exercise also helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, allowing you to better manage stress. But you don't need to hit the gym for hours to experience the benefits. Any form of exercise can help, whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, swimming, or even dancing around your living room. The key is consistency. For example, try this simple routine. In the morning, spend 15 to 20 minutes doing a light stretching routine or yoga to release tension. In the afternoon, take a brisk 20 to 30 minute walk outside. And in the evening, engage in a relaxation exercise like deep breathing or gentle yoga to unwind. You will notice that as you make exercise a regular part of your day, you will feel more energized, less stressed, and better able to cope with challenges. Number 4, take time for relaxing activities. We often overlook the importance of simply relaxing. Life can get so busy that we forget how to slow down and just enjoy the present moment. It's crucial to set aside time every day for activities that help you unwind and de stress. Whether it's reading a book, watching a favorite TV show, soaking in a warm bath, or listening to calming music. Relaxing activities are essential for your well being. Even if you can spare 15 to 30 minutes a day, make sure to prioritize this time to do something that brings you peace and joy. Some simple ways to relax each day are reading. Lose yourself in a book that makes you feel happy or inspired. Or take a bath. Add a few drops of lavender or chamomile oil for extra relaxation. Or listen to music. Create a playlist with your favorite soothing songs and unwind. Remember, relaxation is not a luxury, it's a necessity for reducing stress and rejuvenating your body and mind. Number 5, eat a healthy and balanced diet. What you eat can have a profound impact on how you feel mentally and emotionally. A poor diet full of processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive caffeine can lead to energy crashes and an increase in stress levels. On the other hand, a balanced diet full of whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats provides your body with the nutrients it needs to manage stress. So, here are some specific foods that can help with stress management. First is complex carbs. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice help stabilize blood sugar levels and boost serotonin, and that is the feel good hormone. Next is magnesium rich foods. Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and legumes can help relax your muscles and nervous system. Number 3, omega 3 fatty acids. Foods like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds can help reduce inflammation and improve your brain function. And avoid too much caffeine and too much sugar. Avoiding too much caffeine and sugar is also important. While they may give you a temporary energy boost, they can lead to crashes that increases feelings of anxiety and stress. Next is get enough sleep. Good sleep is crucial when it comes to managing stress. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more cortisol, that is the stress hormone, which leaves you feeling anxious and overwhelmed. The recommended amount of sleep for most adults is 7 to 9 hours per night. However, the quality of your sleep is just as important as the quantity. And to improve your sleep hygiene, create a relaxing bedtime routine, limit screen time, avoid caffeine, and try reading or meditating. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet to help your body fall asleep more easily. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, to regulate your internal clock. Good sleep not only helps you feel refreshed but also strengthens your ability to handle stress during the day. And next is build a support system. Yes, having a support system is one of the most effective ways to combat stress. When you are feeling stressed, talking things out with friends, family, or even a therapist can provide perspective, comfort, and reassurance. It's important to surround yourself with people who lift you up, not bring you down. Make time for socializing and connecting with others who support you, whether it's a phone call, a coffee date, or spending quality time together. Sometimes Just venting or sharing your concerns with someone you trust can make you feel like a weight has been lifted off your shoulders. And the last one is gratitude. Yes, practicing gratitude can shift your mindset from stress and worry to appreciation and contentment. It's easy to get caught up in everything that's going wrong, but when you actively choose to focus on the positive aspects of your life, you start to reduce stress and feel more at peace. And to practice gratitude, keep a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you are grateful for every day. Reflect on the good things in your life, whether it's a supportive friend, a beautiful sunset, or a cozy moment at home. Gratitude helps you reframe your mindset so you feel more empowered and less affected by stress. So, there you have it. These are the top stress relieving habits that can help you live a more balanced and peaceful life. And by prioritizing deep breathing, mindfulness, exercise, healthy eating, good sleep, a support system, and gratitude, you can significantly reduce stress and feel more in control of your emotions. Remember, stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control you. By making these habits a regular part of your routine, you will find yourself more resilient to stress and better equipped to handle life's challenges. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share it with someone who could use a little stress relief, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthy and balanced life. Take care of yourself and remember, you have got this power. See you in the next video.